Hi everybody, so for today I'm going to show you how to make a cinnamon roll. Materials, you're going to need brown yarn. I use baby sand from Bernat blanket yarn, and white yarn. I use Bernat blanket or baby blanket yarn. And then of course your sewing needle and scissors. I use a 6mm crochet hook. And then 10mm safety eyes if you're using the same exact materials I am. And then I always have a hot glue gun for the backings of my safety eyes, but you do not have to do that. I just get paranoid. Anyway, we're going to start by making a slip knot. And then you're going to chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay, so now in the second chain from the hook, so 1, 2, you're gonna half double crochet, and half double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, and then pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through. We're gonna do that 20 times. Now that we've hit the very last stitch, I always do a color change halfway through the stitch. So I already pulled up a loop. Now I'm going to change to white and pull all the way through. So it's almost seamless. And then we're going to chain 1, turn, and now you're gonna half double crochet across again. That should have been 20. Okay, so now you're going to cut a long tail for sewing, and I just pull that out because why not? And then you're gonna cut this one over here, and I always tie a knot. Sorry, let me see if you can see it. Okay, I always tie a double knot because, again, I'm paranoid, but that's okay. I want to make sure it's not going to fall apart on whoever buys it. Double knot, okay, and then you're going to leave that side alone. So now, this side with all your ends, you're going to trim just a little bit so it's smaller. And then I do a pre-roll to try and figure out where I'm going to put the eyes. Obviously you don't, you kind of want it in the middle. So I do it about the white stitch 1, 2, 3, 4. I do the first eye about 4 white stitches away from the edge, and then if you want to, you can always double check before you put the backings on. See, mine are definitely not 2 stitches in between. Jeez. Or I'm sorry, 1 stitch in between. Jeez. Okay, see, there you go. Okay, we liked that. So now I get my hot glue gun and I put the backings on after, sorry, metal crochet hook. I always put hot glue between the backing and the safety eye, so I know for a fact it's not going to come through the stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You secure your eyes however you want. And of course, I normally burn myself during this part, because why wouldn't I? See, it can get kind of messy, but that's okay. I am just looking for secureness. Okay, now we're gonna roll that puppy up again. Roll, 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 roll. I roll it pretty tight. You don't want it coming off, or you know, coming undone, not really coming off. He's so cute. Okay, and then put your needle in and sew it together. So for this, I just go back and forth. I think it's called a scissor stitch. I'm not sure, but yeah, you're literally just securing it in place. And theoretically, you tighten it enough, or you rolled it tight enough that it won't come apart easily. So, and then I go all the way through a couple times. Again, just verifying that it is in fact good. Okay, and then I always knot it off. If you couldn't tell, I think knots are extremely important. And I always do it twice. At least. Okay, give that a good tug. Not enough that you're going to break the yarn though. And then hide your end. obviously did not hide that end very well, but that's okay. See? And now you have created a cinnamon roll. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!